Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the method to secure your internet connections on public Wi-Fi using Surfshark VPN. Now, securing your internet connection on public Wi-Fi using the Surfshark VPN is essential for protecting your online privacy and data. Here's how you can do it. First thing, you need to go and open up your Surfshark VPN on your device, and when you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now, while you're on this page, you can go ahead and navigate to the settings bar and then go to VPN settings. So here you need to make sure that the Surfshark VPN offers a kill switch feature that automatically blocks internet access if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly. You can enable the kill switch feature in the settings menu of the Surfshark app to ensure that your data remain protected even if the VPN connection is interrupted. So here you can see this option as VPN kill switch. You can just toggle the button, and when you have done that, you should be able to protect your internet connection on public Wi-Fi. And likewise, the Surfshark VPN uses encryption to secure your internet traffic, make it virtually impossible for hackers or snoopers to intercept and despair your data. So that's how you can secure your internet connection on public Wi-Fi using the Surfshark VPN. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.